Okay, what we have here is an Align helicopter starter. I don't know anything about these things. It's an item I came across. Looks like it's in the original box. Best I can tell, it looks like it's pretty well new. There's the manual with it. Super Starter STQ-100. And here's the actual product right here. Pull this out. Take a look at it. It does have a battery in it, as we can tell by checking the indicator there. And as well, it does work. And we'll put this other piece on here also. One-handed. Here's the attachment. As you can see, this piece, well, if we can get it in focus, it essentially looks brand new. It doesn't have any wear marks or anything on it. So there it is. Works, has battery, case, everything. Again, it is the Align Super Starter STQ-100 for helicopters. Thank you.